Is it the blower motor that is bad? Is it the resistors that are bad? Is it the relay that is bad, or the fuse? Hi, my name is Juan Penedo. I'm an instructor here with Diesel Laptops. Right now we're currently in South Carolina. We also have facilities in Texas and in Chicago. So you guys are welcome to come to whichever of the three is better for you guys. Right now we're currently inside the classroom, and we're looking at one of the boards, one of the labs that we use for Electrical 1. Before I continue with the lab, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment below. Especially if you guys want to see new materials, please comment below. We're going to go ahead and read them. New ideas, things like that. We're going to go ahead and create videos for you guys. So right now we're going to get back to this lab. So this is one of the labs a lot of people have a lot of struggles with, especially out there in the field. So we call this lab the 3-in-1. There's 3 different scenarios on this lab right here. So this will be the electrical fan, kind of like a typical fan that you will see in the truck. Maybe the truck's overheating because the fan's not kicking on. And basically we're trying to troubleshoot if it's a fuse, a relay, the connector, see if it's open wire. But we're able to see all that because we have the multimeter. The multimeter is the best tool to be used, especially for diagnostics. So we have to know what all these icons mean, what all these symbols mean, what all these buttons mean. And the better you get familiar with the multimeter, the better you're going to be able to diagnose. So the second half is going to be right here with the light switches. Sometimes, for example, the lights might be too dim or they might be too bright. So we need to be able to figure out if it's a ground issue or a power issue. And like I said, the multimeter is going to help us determine that. The next one is going to be the horn. Sometimes the horn doesn't work. And with the meter, we're going to be able to find out if it's the horn that is bad, the relay that is bad, open wires. And no matter what, the multimeter is the best tool to go at. And then the last one is going to be a typical blower motor that you will see inside the cab. Sometimes, for example, the blower motor might get stuck on high speed. First, second speed that does not work. So we need to be able to figure it out. Is it the blower motor that is bad? Is it the resistors that are bad? Is it the relay that is bad, or the fuse? And like I said, the multimeter, the best tool. We need to know, we need to understand what it's trying to tell us. And that's the reason why it's important to come to these classes, especially for Electrical 1. And if you want to get more advanced, then we come to Electrical 2. And a part of that, we have more electrical classes. So right now we came to the end of our classroom. Before we finish, I'm going to swing to this one real quick. If you guys have any ABS issues, we have ABS class as well. And I know a lot of people have a struggle with ABS. So you guys are welcome to come whenever you guys have time to come. We're going to explain how ABS works, how to troubleshoot it. If it's a computer, the sensors, the cable, the harness, we'll go through everything. By the time you guys leave both of these classes, you're going to be able to figure out how to troubleshoot correctly, how to replace what part is bad, and we're not going to just be guessing. We're going to be testing and figuring out what the component is and why the component failed. So that's basically the whole purpose of all these classes for Electrical 1 for ABS. So right now we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you for everything you guys do. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any future ideas, make sure you guys write it down on the comment section. We're going to go ahead and read them. And if you guys want to look at anything else, make sure you put it on the comments. Thank you. We appreciate everything you guys do for us. We appreciate everything. Thank you.